Weather's going to stay quiet and dry for another 24 to 36 hours thanks to high pressure overhead, so that's going to keep the area nice and quiet. You can see all that activity around the rest of the nation, so that stays well away from us. We will remain pretty consistent moving forward here in that the temperatures don't change much, sky conditions don't change much. What will change is the wind. Starting to see winds out of the northwest tonight. That may drop wind chills down close to the single digits. Temperatures down into the teens tonight, so that's near average for this time of year. We haven't had much for wind, however, at least lately. And now with stronger winds kicking in tonight, that means some pretty brisk wind chills moving forward. You can see on future track, we start out the morning pretty calm, then you get breezy by the afternoon. Not necessarily windy, but enough of a breeze to really cause some impact with the wind chill values. Even in the mid-afternoon, still seeing winds around 15 miles per hour out of the west, and calmer conditions into tomorrow evening, which definitely help when it comes to getting rid of the nasty wind chills. But throughout the day tomorrow, we are looking at some pretty brisk conditions. You can see wind chills down into the single digits at times late tonight. For the most part, we'll be hovering in the teens throughout the daytime hours tomorrow. So even though temperatures won't be changing much, it's going to feel colder tomorrow thanks to those breezy winds kicking on in. So temperature-wise, will be around 32 degrees, slightly cooler than today under a partly cloudy sky. And again, with that breeze kicking in, we're looking at the wind chills well down into the teens throughout much of the day. Gusts should be up to about 25 miles per hour. Moving into the middle of the week, we have some snow showers to keep an eye on. You can see that we do have in the extended forecast some snow shower activity moving on into Wednesday evening. You can see future track does indicate the snow showers on top of us by about 4 o'clock, so that may impact the evening commute. Heaviest snowfall stays to our south, so that could bode well in keeping accumulations down some, but we'll have consistent snow showers throughout much of Wednesday night. It does get lighter, though, after midnight, so by Thursday morning, maybe more in the way of light snowfall or flurries. That all lingers, though, heading into the afternoon, so it may take until Thursday afternoon before this all moves on out. Expecting a couple inches out of this, but right now looks to be the heaviest off to our south, so we'll see lighter amounts, but still enough to cause some slick roads into Wednesday evening and Thursday morning. Overall, we're near average for February, about an inch below average as of right now, but it may only take a snowfall or two to get us right back on track. Still close to 8 inches below average for the winter as a whole. So with conditions moving forward, not necessarily looking at a ton of snow, so may end up below average for the winter after the next couple weeks. After the snowstorm departs as of Wednesday and Thursday, we have colder air on the way. By Thursday evening, we're down into the single digits and getting even colder from there. So temperatures are going to fall all throughout the day on Thursday. Ultimately, we'll be below zero Thursday night, our first time this winter below zero. Usually we have sub-zero values very early in winter. This time they're coming very late. Wind chill down to -20 at times heading into Friday morning. Friday itself, 20 degrees below average. Wind chills near or below zero throughout the course of the day. So even with some sunny weather ahead for Friday, it's not going to feel warm whatsoever. So plan ahead for that. Got a frigid Friday just around the corner. Temperatures, in fact, on a roller coaster going for the mid-30s into Wednesday, down into the teens for Thursday and Friday, then back up close to 40 this weekend with a chance for some rain showers mixed with snow. James and Kristen.
Oh boy, a change in the winter weather. Alex, thank you.
So to come, Valentine's